watching Chiki Doodle!
Hi kids, are you ready to draw some shapes? Let's begin. Draw a circle and then a triangle. Yes, great! Can you guess the next one? It's a heart. And the last one, a square. Wasn't it easy? It's time to give our shapes happy faces. Draw eyes, color the pupils in, and a cute little smile. A face for our triangle. And don't forget the eyebrows. Next, a face for the heart. And the square too. Don't they look so cute? Next, let's do a neat outline for all the shapes. We did a great job! And now comes the best part, kids. We get to color in. A bright happy yellow color for our circle. Let's keep going, just like this. Here is our circle. Looks great. Let's move on to our triangle. A light green color. Let's stay within the lines, nice and neat. And here we have it, a triangle! Yay! Moving on to the heart. Pink will look great, don't you think? Let's color. Aren't you having fun? And done! A heart! Lastly, let's use orange for the square. We're almost done, kids. Our drawing looks great. It's such a happy, colorful picture. And also a fun way to learn our shapes. We are done with the square. Here are all our shapes. Hope you had lots of fun. See you next time.
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to learn the alphabet. That's right. And we're going to draw it and paint it too. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, I love drawing. We'll start with the letter A, then B, then C, and D. What comes next? It's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? L. Then M, N, O, P. Yay! Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's next? That's right, it's W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now we know our ABCs. This time won't you paint with me? Red. A is going to be red, like an apple. B is going to be yellow, like a banana. C can be purple, like a purple carrot. Yes, you can get purple carrots. Green for D, like a dinosaur. E can be pink, like a pink elephant. What colour shall we do F? Blue, what a great choice. Blue for a blue frog. Yellow again for G. G is going to be a giraffe. Next is H and we're going through the green again. How about a green helicopter? And I can be for ice. Blue ice. Jelly. Strawberry flavoured because it's pink. Next we're going for K. Gold. Koala. What shall we do for the letter L? Blue. What a great choice. It could be a blue lizard. Ooh. M can be red for a red monkey. Well, why not? It's my monkey and I want it to be red. Purple for N because it's such a nice colour. Ooh, let's go for gold again for O. It's almost orange, so we say O for orange. Red penguin. Why not? Green for a queen, because it almost rhymes. A green queen, get it? Blue for rocket, because we're zooming into space. Yellow for sun. That's right, a yellow sun. Pink for telephone. Purple for umbrella. Now let's do yellow for a violin. And a window can be pink. Lovely. I'm going for the gold again for a xylophone, my favourite musical instrument. Green for a yo-yo. I like playing with yo-yos, it's so much fun. And last but not least, a red zebra. Well done! You drew and painted the whole alphabet, all 26 letters of it. Great job! Fantastic! Hi kids, how are you today? Look at this beautiful scenery. Are you ready to draw and paint it with me? Fantastic! Right, we're going to start by drawing the sun. It's easy, just a circle with some rays. Now some curvy lines for hills and a rainbow in between two of them. Let's do a tree. How about some fruit in the tree? Just some little circles. A boat. And a house with a triangle roof, a rectangle door, a chimney, and some tiles. Some windows. Let's add in a river, some grass, and there you have it. We're ready to paint. Yellow sun. A blue sky. You can of course use crayons, colouring pens, pencils or paint, whatever you prefer. It's going to be a beautiful scene. Okay, let's go for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple. You can choose whatever colours you like, it's your picture. Stick to a traditional rainbow if you want. We're going brown for the hills. That's it. Lovely. One more to go. Going around the house. Done. Green tree. It's summertime, you know. Going around those fruits very carefully. We don't want to colour those in green. That's it. You're doing a great job. Well, I would love to live in a house like this, wouldn't you? With a rainbow and the sun is shining and there's a river. I've got my very own boat. Red fruit. What do you think it could be? Apples? Fantastic. A brown tree trunk. Let's go for a lighter green for the grass behind the river. That's a great contrast to the brown mountains. So we've got lots of brown and green. Going around the house. Lovely. Wow, what a beautiful garden. Let's do around the tree as well on the other side of the river. Let's paint the house. A yellow chimney top, yellow walls. Lovely. Let's go for red tiles. Excellent. And the edges can be blue, blue windows, and a pink chimney and door. Perfect. How about some yellow and pink for our boat? Blue for our river. Wow, that's lovely. It's a darker blue than the sky. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. It is absolutely beautiful. Maybe you'd find it at the end of a rainbow. Dark green for our tufts of grass, just like the tree. And there you have it. Perfect scenery.